Hello, Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Day 3 for me. And as you can see, I have laid out the blocks that I'll be doing next. I'm going to do a lattice full patch. I've cut out the colours for the full patch. I've just got to sew them together. And I think you've seen me do it all before. When I was making the bag in the beginning sewing series, I did a simple full patch there. So if you need to see a full patch be made, go over to the beginning sewing where you'll see me do a full patch on the bag. So I'm just going to sew all these together now off camera, and then I'll bring you along for what's next. Doesn't look like it, but those two are different shades of red, and those two are different shades as well. So they are actually a full patch. Now I've sewn them together, you get your ruler and you go from one corner to the other corner. I'll make sure I go straight through the middle as well. Not quite cut the middle. Take me 1.5 inch strip, lay it on and sew all the way down, but I'm going to leave my strip intact because we'll pretend this is another half of a block. I will then lay that down and sew that on. I'll now show you what I mean by putting them on a strip. I've got my 1.5 inch strip of the reddy brown, if you like, and I'm just going to put on right sides together one of my blocks, and I'll do a 1/4 inch seam. Let's just get to the end of my scrap. See, this is one reason why I wanted to go on one big strip, because my sewing machine doesn't like going on to little teeny ends, so it's just baroque. So I'll rethread this lot and then come back to you. I'm glad that happened for several reasons. One, you see that it happens to everybody, so don't get annoyed, your cotton does break at times. And two, I rethreaded it, so that's a good thing for it. And I took the bobbin out to rethread that through, and I noticed there wasn't much cotton left on it, so I was able to put in another, so I can go for a lot longer now. Right, so let's get away from the edge, seeing as the machine doesn't like the edge, and we'll try again. That's it, and now I've got to the end of my triangle. I'll stitch on another one from another square, half of another square, because obviously I don't want to sew the top one to anywhere well, the other half of this square to anywhere but the 1.5 inch strip. So and I'll just keep on sewing away. I can only get 3 onto one of my strips, which is fine. So there's the 3 on it. Now you can take it to your iron and press it back and everything, but I'm not going to bother at the moment. I need to put in another one exactly opposite. Pin at the ready, find the middle of your strip, put a pin in there to let you know where it is. Change the orientation around so you can grab the pin better. Put it through, save that pin, grab the other half of your square, find the middle of it, put it where your pin is marking, get that other pin, if you can pull it out of there, and put it through to hold it. Your middle marker pin you then take out and put nearer the start. So I'll just sew these 3 together and then I'll bring you over to see what they're actually looking like. So I'll see you in a minute. As you can see, that method worked. So I'm going to carry on with it and do the remaining 9, and then I'll show you when they're all done. That's it. That's the next 12 squares. They are quite a size difference. Let me show you. Put my bit down so you can see. There's one square. Put it that way and you can see it better. Everything is geared up to go the same size as these blocks, so they are quite a bit bigger than my first blocks. So oh well, it just means I cut them down, or it'd mean making the others bigger, or I might use these in a different place. I don't know. I'm just doing batches of 12 blocks at the moment. I have 12 of the log cabin blocks, 12 of these pinwheel blocks, and now 12 of the lattice blocks. So next time I'll lay them all out together, it's going to be on the bed. Now I think it's time to take Mason for a walk and think about my next block. Okay then.